Sassy boy. Okay, Poe, he looks exotic. I don't know what. That's what it is. When the oh yes, they're like, don't worry.
Jays or Jang. Thank you.
You're welcome.